what's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing awesome today. So this is a song, amazing reggae song from Bob Marley, One Love. It's really easy. It's got 4 chords, and I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes because that's what I do, the shortest, fastest lessons on YouTube. So we begin here in G major with no capo, and I'm going to show you the chords first, and I'll come back to that, undeniable reggae rhythm. So let's do G major, One Love, to D major, C major, let's get together, G major, and D major, Feel Alright, to G, right like that. And what's cool here is when you get that reggae rhythm, it goes like this. And the key to this kind of rhythm is 3 parts. First of all, you want to go low to high on the strings like this. That, but you can see I'm doing some palm muting right here with this hand to stop it right after that. So go low, down, up, like that, hit it again and palm mute. But also I'm releasing these strings right here a little bit. So check out this hand right here just for a second. They're not just moving up and down, sort of rocking just for the fun of it. They're doing it because they're also coming off the strings ever so slightly just to create that thing. So between that and your palm muting, it's a way to really mute the strings nicely. So just practice that. Pick a chord, whether it's G or C or D, and just do that. Low, high, like that, over and over again, and just get the rhythm of that. And if you do, you're ready to rock reggae. Goes into the verse, and it starts off with a G major to E minor, C major to G, and does it again, G to E minor, C, D, G. That time it sort of goes quickly from C to D to G, and it does it again. So I'll show you the whole verse. Ready? E minor, C, G, E minor, C, D, G, and then it goes back into the chorus again. One love, G, D, C, G. Feel alright. Feel alright. Very great song, super fun. Let me know what you think in the comments how you did. It's just easy to do once you get the hang of it, that reggae rhythm. And it's a blast. Then it opens up the whole Bob Marley catalog for you. All right, check you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you around.